Hello, I'm Ron Jones with Advanced Solutions, and what I want to showcase today is how Fusion 360 and Autodesk Eagle are changing the way we make things and produce products. So what I'm showing you right now is a PCB design software called Autodesk Eagle. So this is going to handle all of our printed circuit board designs. Now what we can do once we have these designed, or have our board layout, for example, is push this into Fusion. So I'm going to showcase that here in a minute. And this is going to increase collaboration. So before, we didn't really have collaboration between, say, our circuit board and our 3D CAD package. Maybe we had a rough translation of what that board looked like, but with Fusion and Eagle, we're actually going to form a link. So you can see I'm showing you how you would go through pushing this to Fusion. And what this is then going to render is a 3D representation of what this board is going to look like and how it's going to look like when we ultimately go to manufacture and start assembling these. So coming into Fusion 360, you can see my representation here of my printed circuit board. Now where stuff begins to get cool rather, is we can actually make modifications to this PCB inside of Fusion 360. So if we need to move pieces to a certain place, or in the case of what I'm about to showcase here, where we actually need to change hole diameter or maybe add a countersink. It used to be you would have to communicate that to maybe a different coworker, or you had to go into a different piece of software. Well, with the Fusion and Eagle integration, this can all be done very quickly from a one-stop shop, as you can see what I just placed in there with that countersink. So the interoperability is something we really haven't seen in a CAD package before. And you can see the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to actually place this into an assembly. So this will be placed into our power supply. And we're using the actual thing that we've designed. So of course with that link, if we need to make a change, that change is automatically propagated down inside of Eagle. Or if we make a change in Eagle, that change will then be propagated inside of Fusion 360. So this is it's in preview right now, so it's not a fully released product, but it's very exciting to see where the future of making things is going with Fusion 360 and its integration with other platforms. So you can see what I'm doing here is actually adding standoffs to this housing to showcase where this PCB is going to live, so to speak. So we could then take this in, maybe do a simulation on it. Maybe we want to see how hot this circuit board is going to get, or check airflow, that type of stuff. And of course, as you can see, if we need to make any changes, we do have Fusion as our complete modeling program, so it makes it quite easy. So with that, I hope you're excited with this interoperability between Fusion 360 and Eagle. And if you have any questions, contact Advanced Solutions. Have a great day.